Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dr. Praise and Repeat. Àlàáfíà. Áńgẹ́lì mi ò ní sùn. Oríwo ya ogun wa tán. Lọ́la kó bá yà kún Ọlọ́run ọba. Ewé ń jẹ́. Lọ́la kó bá yà kún Ọlọ́run ọba. Ewé ń jẹ́. Ewé á jẹ́. Ewé ń jẹ́. Àwọn ọ̀nà mi dábọ̀ sóhun mi lọ́jọ́ dìbò. Ewé ń jẹ́. Alawalu, alakiru, asohiru, abatinu, Ọlọ́run ọba. Ìwọ ló pamọ́, ìwọ ló fara jáde. Alárágbá yìí dániyàn, ara tó wù ọ́ dáadáa ló dẹ̀ ń dá. Èyí tó ní káwa máa fẹ́ wé dá ládẹ̀ fi dá. Ìwọ ṣàlò ní kọ́kọ́rọ́ gbogbo ẹ̀mí nìyẹn. Fásikúrú ni wọ́n síkúrú ni wọ́n.
Today I want to explain how to use Abere. This is Abere. This is Abere. Abere is very common here in Nigeria. Abere is very common here in Nigeria. I think you can see the botanical name of Abere displayed on the screen. Some believe that the only thing they use Abere for is to cure diabetes. No. We can use Abere for many things. As we can use it for diabetes, we can also use it for blessing and favor. So, Facebook page, I explain how to use ONALIA and Abere for blessing, to avoid disappointments. But today I want to explain how to use this same Abere with Danduala. So today I'm not talking about ONALIA, because in my Facebook page I explain how to use this Abere with ONALIA. You know, I told you that there are many ways to use it, but here I want to explain how to use it for the same favor. By the grace of God, favor will locate you. Blessing will also locate you. Not, I didn't mean your girlfriend, blessing and favor. I'm talking about favor from God, not blessing you, because I believe my people now, they'll be happy. Hey, thank God. God don't catch blessing and favor. I'm not talking about favor and blessing you. I'm talking about blessing from God. That is what I'm talking about. So, I don't have a Danduala perf here, but you can go to any market or this spiritual shop and tell them that you want to buy Danduala. I think you can see the name displayed on the screen, Danduala. So when you get this Danduala, this Abere seed, you are not going to use many of it. Just get one seed of Abere. That's all. One seed of Abere. Remove the cover and grind this Abere to become a powder. Grind it very well. After that, you now put it inside Danduala. So how to use it? Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Dr. Mutiu Olatiboye, also known as Baba Wenje. Everything I do here is to share spiritual tips to help your spiritual life. If any of my content is very interesting, please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So whenever I upload to this channel, you will be the first person to watch it. And if you are returning, thank you very much for coming back to my channel. So today I want to explain how to use Abere. I think you can see the botanical name of Abere displayed on the screen. This Abere, many believe that the only thing we use this for is to cure sickness like diabetes, piles, and so on. But today I want to tell you that there are many ways to use Abere apart from diabetes and so on and so forth. So today I want to explain how to use Abere to attract blessing, more favor into your life. To attract blessing, not your girlfriend blessing, the one that you are looking for since last 2 years, and you believe that you can use Abere to attract her. No, 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 no. It's not like that. Oh. I'm talking about real blessing from God, real favor, open ways, open every closed door by the grace of God. So you go to market, all this local market or any spiritual shop, tell them that you want to buy Danduala. No, in my Facebook page, I explain how to use it with ONALIA, but here I want to use it with Danduala. Danduala. So you get seed of Abere. One seed is okay. Don't add to it. One seed is okay. You grind it to become a powder. Have you done that? Then now put it inside the Danduala perfume. You put it inside the Danduala perfume and you keep it for some times. You can keep it for 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, 5 days. Then early in the morning, before you commence your daily activity, just take the perf and apply it in your both hand and your leg. You will apply this perfume. You apply it in your arms, the 2 hands and the 2 legs. You apply it just like that. Don't apply it all over your body. Don't apply it all over your body. That is how to do it. That is how to use it. Lo Danduala àti Abere ẹyọkan. Abere ẹyọkan. Fún àánú látọ̀dọ̀ Ọlọ́run, ìbùkún, oore, gbogbo ọ̀nà tó ti dí. Ẹ jẹ́ ká máa lọ bí ọjà wa. Ẹ máa rí pé kódà agbára wà nínú ewé àtegbò. Ọlọ́run fi agbára sínú ewé àtegbò. Ọlọ́run kàn fún wa ní ìmọ̀ láti lè combine A and B together láti form ẹyọkan. Òun ni mo wá fún wa nìyí. Ẹ jẹ́ kí a lọ Abere ẹyọkan péré ká wá dà sínú ẹ̀. Tá bá ti dà sínú Danduala yẹn, ẹ jẹ́ ká gbé pamọ́ ọjọ́ 2, ọjọ́ 3, ọjọ́ 4 ìgbà tó bá wù ẹ́ jẹ́ ká gbé pamọ́ dà. Tá bá ti gbé pamọ́, gbogbo ìgbàkígbà tá bá fẹ́ lò, tá bá ti wẹ̀ tán láàárọ̀, ẹ jẹ́ kí a bu díẹ̀ sọ́wọ́ ká fi pa ọwọ́ wa méjèèjì, ká fi pa ẹsẹ̀ wa mọ́ àtẹ́lẹsẹ̀ ká tó jáde. Iṣẹ́ àna tó dáa ni. Àánú á wá wa rí lágbára Ọlọ́run. Àánú á wá wa rí lágbára Ọlọ́run. Ọ̀rọ̀ mi ò ní jù báyìí lọ. Èmi náà lọmọ yín, àbúrò yín, olólùfẹ́ yín, Dr. Mutiu Ọlátìbóyè táyé mọ̀ sí wí jẹ́. Tó bá dìgbà mi àtọmọ́rọ́ mi tó tún yàtọ̀ sí eléyìí wá, ẹ má ṣe gbàgbé láti subscribe sórí ètò kílè kó fún wa ní ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àǹfààní lórí àwọn nǹkan mìíràn àti ṣe torí pé èyí tí a ti ṣe ó pọ̀ ju èyí tí a ti ṣe lọ. Ó dàbọ̀.
Ẹgbẹ́ ewé ń jẹ iwájú ṣáni tí tàwa Ọlọ́run ló dé wa láyé yìí ṣe bóun lóhun tó ṣológun ló wà lẹ́ṣà ẹgbẹ́ wa ò ní tú o. Alright, èèyàn mi ẹ jẹ́ ká lọ sọ́dọ̀ Dr. Mutiu Táíwò Ọlátìbóyè yìí president ti ya ni. Èjì rẹ̀ o wíríwírí lójú orogún, èjì wọ̀rọ̀ lójú mẹ́mọ́.